I've got something on the printer here, a catapult, so it's making a lot of racket. I'm printing a catapult, but I wanted you to see this Soundwave solid state multi-deluxe radio. It's pretty beat up. I'm going to see if I can take this off and redo it. I don't know, and I can clean that off, I'm pretty sure. It's missing a trim piece here, I think, where the dial light goes. Other than that, it's just dirty. Got a lot of dirt in it, and I love the color display, the color bands. That was a common thing in the 70s and 80s. The lid still works. It's got one good antenna on it, and I just put this new one on here for the shortwave. So it's got two antennas, and I have no idea whether this thing works or not. It's got intact. It's got top quality hand stitched, whatever that is. Leather, maybe? It sure feels like leather. And it's battery and AC, and you've got the schematic, which you can't read hardly without a magnifying glass. Model SW shortwave, SW2900, and it's even got the old batteries in it. So it takes four 1.5 volt batteries, and that'll be 6 volts. And these batteries are shot. Well, I assume they are. Yeah, they're shot. They're old batteries. So we're going to plug it in. It's got AC. And I don't know, I just assumed the AC works just automatically. So we're going to plug it in and see if it fires up. Usually these just need a good cleaning electronically with spray cleaner and that kind of thing. But we could have other issues. Okay, so we plugged it in. Oh, and I added this control was shot, broken. So I put a new one in there, and it looks good and works good. It looks better than the original, I think. And it works good. I made it fit, and it works good. And so that's the mode, the band switch. And then there's volume, tone, and squelch. There's no BFO, no side panel. Okay, so here's the AC battery switch. And there's a shortwave antenna jack and an earphone jack. The shortwave antenna jack is I forgot what kind of a plug you call those, but I've seen those before. A long nose and a barrel, but we'll see. I don't know. We'll leave it on AC. Turn it on. Okay, so far nothing. We are plugged in. Yeah, we are plugged in. Let's switch the band switch over here. Okay, nothing there. Squelch is, put it in the middle. Okay, so that switch is bad. Let's turn the volume down. AM. That top red one there that you can't see. But I've got a lot of stuff plugged in here. That'll help. Let me turn the TV power off. Okay, Google, turn off the TV power. Oh wow, that made a difference, didn't it? Okay. So the AM band works, the broadcast band. little better to record anyway. Alright, let's switch to the middle wave marine band. And this is 160 meters. Some of it is. We may even get some ham radio stuff in here, right in there. Let's set it back up and pull the antenna up. Okay. Okay, nothing on that band. There might be some broadcasts. Let's see, I don't think there are any broadcasts down here. That is shortwave broadcast. No. Okay, let's turn that down. Go to shortwave band 1. And I think that's combined 4 to 12. So we might be able to get Colorado here. That is universal time. Okay, let's get up here to 10. And by the way, let's see if this light works. I'm going to dim or kind of cover up the light here. There it goes, yeah. Yeah, it's a bad switch. Come on, there it goes. Did the light work? There it goes. Only one side's lit up, that side's not lit up. Can't turn the overhead light on yet. All right, let's go to the next police band. Yeah, police band. And that is 30 megahertz to 50 megahertz. What they mean when they say that shortwave is dead. So many of these bands are unused now. They've gone to digital stuff, and all right, so there's FM. FM's working good.
I'm Stacy Lynn.
Right, so FM's working great, and then let's go to the 2 VHF bands.
Every day.
That's the last one, and both of those are VHF bands. All right, we should get a weather channel in here somewhere. I can turn this volume up. Yeah, that should be weather at 162.5, I think. So we probably got a bad connection and dirty connectors here. I think that's the weather right there.